What's up, everybody? What is up? Hope y'all are doing good. Saturday evening, out and about. Decided to stop up at Viking Land up in St. Cloud. And you guys know me, I get around, and you know, life is all about doing things that keep me sober. And yeah, I had a little bit of a rougher week this week, so I felt like getting out and taking a nice little ride. And it's been really nice weather here in Minnesota. It's been pretty cool so lately, and you know, just doing a little bit of a vlog tonight. Nothing too crazy, but I felt like getting out and doing something. Tomorrow is Father's Day, so I hope you guys are all going to spend time with your kiddos. If you're a dad, happy Father's Day to all you dads out there. And yeah, tomorrow should be good. Tomorrow should be nice. The weather looks good, and I'm just happy to be alive, you guys. Happy to be alive. Happy to be able to do a vlog. And yeah, so I hope you guys are all being safe and sober out there. Be brave out there too, because you know what, there's a lot of people saying that we can't do this and can't do that, shouldn't, couldn't, don't do this, don't do that. But you know what, a lot of us go out and we do, because if we didn't, we'd be stuck, right? Be stuck on the couch, stuck in the house, stuck doing something that wouldn't be nearly as fun as getting out and staying sober. So live your recovery. There is life after addiction, and sometimes you have to literally get out and do. You gotta you know, live your life. Otherwise, your life is gonna pass you by. So until we see you again, stick around and we'll see you on the road. Lefty, out.